Okay, we're going to take a quick second to show probably the most reliable way to change your password on a remote server when you're accessing it through RDP or some sort of console. So let's look at what OS we're on here. This is on server 08 R2. It should work on practically any recent Windows OS. So what we do here is we type OSK, which stands for on-screen keyboard. Now we get the on-screen keyboard, and this will allow us to do Ctrl Alt Delete and make sure that the output is being sent to the remote machine that we're on. So on my local keyboard right on my desk here, and you'll see the keys light up when I press them on my local keyboard. So I'm going to press Control on my local keyboard. I'm going to press Alt on my local physical keyboard on my desk, and then I'm going to press Delete using my mouse. See my mouse here? I'm going to go up to press Delete here, and that will make sure that the output of the command is going to this remote server that I'm accessing through 3 or 4 consoles, and it won't get stuck on any server or jump box in between. So I press Delete here. Bam. Now I have the change password console on this remote machine. It doesn't matter how many jump servers or interim console boxes that I've gone through to get there. If I follow this method, this will force that output to the furthest machine that I'm on and allow me to change my password. Thanks.